Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we'll be looking at BitMEX In-Depth Guide Part 405. This part of our guide will dig deeper into what BitMEX has to offer in terms of customer support and if it is generally a beginner-friendly platform. Is BitMEX beginner-friendly? BitMEX attracts a great deal of volume across crypto-to-crypto transfers. This helps maintain BitMEX as a hot topic. BitMEX has relatively low trading fees and can be used around the world, apart from in the US. All this helps attract the attention of beginners that want to trade on leverage. When starting, the platform offers 5 tabs to navigate. 1. The Trading tab. This is the trading part of BitMEX. This tab allows traders to select their preferred trading instrument, as well as choose leverage. They can place and cancel orders in this tab. This tab shows the taken position information as well as other key information in the contract details. 2. The Account tab. This tab shows all the account information. This includes the available Bitcoin margin balances, deposits, withdrawals, as well as all trade history. 3. Contracts tab. This tab shows the additional instrument information. This includes funding history, contract sizes, leveraged offered expiry, underlying reference price index data, and other key features. 4. References tab. This tab allows users to learn about futures, perpetual contracts, position marking, as well as and liquidation. 5. API tab. This tab offers the option to set up an API connection with BitMEX platform. BitMEX employs customer support that is available 24/7. The BitMEX team can also be contacted via Twitter or Reddit. In addition to this, BitMEX offers a variety of educational resources. This includes their FAQ section as well as guides on future and perpetual contracts. BitMEX also has a blog that produces high-level descriptions of numerous subjects. BitMEX offers quite a lot of features, but the truth is that the platform is not exactly suitable for beginners. Margin trading, future contracts, and swaps are not easily understandable concepts and push beginners away from the platform. BitMEX customer support. As previously mentioned, BitMEX has 24/7 customer support on multiple channels. This includes email support, ticket systems, as well as social media support. The typical response time of their customer support is approximately 1 hour. Most BitMEX users noted that the customer support service responses are generally helpful and they are not automized. The BitMEX platform also offers a knowledge base as well as the frequently asked questions of the section. This may not always be helpful, but they may offer some assistance when it comes to directing users towards the channel, which will provide further assistance. Make sure to check out the 5th part of our BitMEX in-depth analysis guide, where we will talk about BitMEX's platform safety and security. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.